We must be going. Yeah, we must. There must be a golf tournament going on here, so we're coming through.
We fit right in.
We fit right in. Absolutely. We absolutely fit right in.
We're classing this joint up a little bit.
Yes, sir.
Man, this place is...
Where the professionals park at?
What do you say?
Where do the professional golfers park at? Oh.
We're caddying for Happy Gilmore.
We fit right in. We fit right in. Oh, it's good stuff. Free beer.
Right? We don't have any. Don't offer that up yet.
It's good stuff, dude. This is great.
Yep. We're maintaining temp, though. And it's actually acting like it should act.
Yeah,
honestly.
I forgot my polo shirt.
Yeah, you
Dude.
both.
Dude.
What? What? Somebody's got an idea.
Oh, somebody's got an idea.
Somebody's got an idea. Oh, there you go. There you go. I don't have a horn.
How's it going? Free hat, man. You forgot your hat.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, man.
Right on. Love it.
That's awesome, dude.
Dude, it's getting attention.
That
The
is
guy's
awesome.
turning around. He's like, the bucket list mob. Okay.
Yeah, hell yeah. This is great.
My man. Put him
Yeah,
on.
all right. Heck yeah.
That looks good on him.
That looks good on you, man.
That's the shirt.
Yeah, heck yeah.
That's funny. You gave it to the perfect person.
I did, absolutely. That's awesome.
That fits perfect.
This is great.
Not too many dudes you can hand a pink hat and they just put it on.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Other than Jack's boy, Cruz, he rocked it pretty well.
Yeah, he rocks it pretty darn good. Oh, this is good stuff, man. I love it. Love it. I love it. I love it. I love it.
Yep.
Hey, Matt Sigler's watching.
Nice.
You.
What's up, buddy?
Dude, I love it.
Just dealing with a little traffic here at the golf outing.
Yep. Let's see. Rideshare tournament parking. We go left.
Yep. Yep. I need to get my clubs out.
This is awesome, dude. This is great. Good stuff. Good stuff. That's awesome. Butch is watching. What's up, Butch?
What's up, man?
Hyde is watching. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna see if we have another pink, we do have that pink. Do we have any of the pink girls' hats? Yes, we do.
Yeah.
Yeah, we do. Want a free hat?
I do. Yeah.
You want a flat brim or you want? Is this cool?
That's cool.
All right, man. Cool.
All right.
All right. Thanks.
Awesome.
This is great, dude.
Yep.
Yeah, buddy.
Cool.
Awesome.
Oh, we made it through.
This is great.
And we're not overheated.
I know.
This is
That's great. She's running like a top, boys. Super happy. What a great, beautiful day.
Yep.
Yep, we're out. We're gonna
Let's find our way to the Napa store and grab some fuel filters.
We'll see ya.
Thanks for following along, everybody.